Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mamunur Rashid from Amanullah Adarsha Vidyaniketan Birampur Dinajpur. Now I will take a class. Last class we discussed on completing sentences from class 9 and 10. That day we discussed 8 rules of completing sentences. Today I will discuss another structures or rules of completing sentences. So, my dear student who are connected with me, please join us, and now I will start my class. Before starting the class, I want to say to you which rules or structures we have discussed in our last class. I want to revision. We are facing some problems in our network. Again, I want to say the rules which we have discussed in our previous class. Our first rules or structure was conditional sentences. There are 3 conditional sentences. Then I have discussed had plus subject plus verb 3. Then I have discussed scarcely had, hardly had, as soon as, no sooner had. These were the structure or rules in our previous class. Today I will discuss another rules or structures of completing sentences for class 9 and 10. Completing sentences. Rule 9 or structure 9. After and before. When we will get in a sentence after or before, then we will see. When we will get after, then the part of the sentence here will be past perfect, and here will be past indefinite. And when we will get before, then here will be past perfect, and here will be past indefinite. Another rule is after or before. When we will get here after, then here will be future perfect, and here will be future or present indefinite. And when we will get before, then here will be future perfect, and here will be future or present indefinite. Rule 11 or structure 11. When we will get since in a sentence, then the first part of sentence will be present indefinite or perfect. Then another part will be past indefinite. If the first part is past indefinite, then here will be past perfect. When we will get sentence in a sentence since, then first part of the sentence will be present indefinite or present perfect. Another part will be past indefinite. If the first part is past indefinite, then another part will be past perfect. Structure 12. As is or as though. If we get in a sentence as if or as though, then first part will be, if the first part is present indefinite, then here will be past indefinite. If the first part is past indefinite, then here will be past perfect. My dear student, here already I have discussed 4 structure or 4 rules of completing sentences. The structure of these sentences are same. If we think these 4 rules or structure very deeply, we must be able to write the sentences. And if you practice these sentences regularly, then you will be able to answer the completing sentence in your exam. I hope you have all note down these 4 rules or structure. Now I will show you another structures or rules of completing sentences. Rule or structure 13. If we get till or until in a sentence, then we will write here, when we will get till, then we will write here a negative sentence, and when we will get until, then we will write here an affirmative sentence. For your better understanding, I want to give an example. Please note down. Wait here. Peel. When we will get peel, I do not come back. Then the part of the completing sentence will be negative. When we will get till, and when we will get until, wait here, until I come back. When we will get until, then the sentence will be affirmative. And when we will get till, then the sentence will be negative. I hope you have understood. Now, rule 14. If we get less in a sentence, subject and verb. First part is with subject, then verb and verb. When we will see the sentence is started with subject and verb, then we will take this subject here and then should verb, base form of verb or present form of verb. When we will see the sentence is started with only verb, then we will take here if, then should verb in verb base form or present form of verb. I think you are clear. When the sentence will be with subject and verb, then we will take this subject. And when the sentence will be started from with verb, then we will take here a subject. For your better understanding, I want to give an example. We run fast. Let's. Then we will take here we. Should means the verb. And when we will see the sentence is started with verb like run fast. Let's. Then we will take here if. If should means the verb. Please note down the structure and write down it. Structure 15. When we will get in a sentence, so plus adjective plus verb. so plus adjective plus that. The sentence, when the sentence will start with subject, then verb present form or base form or verb past form, and we will see so plus adjective plus there. Then we will take this subject. If the subject is a person, subject cannot or could not, then verb base form or present form. If the verb here is present, then we will take here cannot or may not. If the verb is here past form, then we will take here could not or might not. Then we will take a verb or base form. For your better understanding, please note down the example. The boy is so weak that. The boy is so weak that. So plus adjective plus that. Here the subject is a noun, then we will take here a pronoun, he. Verb present form, then we will take here cannot. Then base form of verb, was. If the sentence is he was so lazy that he could not finish his duties timely. When we will get the verb here past form, then we will take here could not. When we will get the verb here present form, then we will take here cannot or may not. If the verb is past form, could not or might not. Structure 16. Subject, verb, so that, or in order that. When we will get in a sentence so that or in order that, then we will take here a subject, then can or may, could or might. After that, verb base form. For example, we work hard, so that we work hard so that we can live a happy life. They started their journey timely so that they would reach in time. If the verb is here present form, then we will take here can. After can, we will take a verb of base form. If the verb is started here past form, then we will take here after subject could, then verb base form. Here structure 15. When we will get structure 15, then the second part will be negative. When we will get only so that or in order that, then the second part will be affirmative. If you practice these two rules by this way, then it will be very easy to you, and you will be able to write and answer the question in your exam. My dear students, already I have discussed 8 rules, and my last class I discussed 8 rules. 8 and 8, 16 rules or structure. You will practice these structures regularly in your home. If you practice these rules regularly in your home, you must be able to answer the question in your exam completing sentences. Now I want to say to you, in my next class, I will discuss another rules or structure of completing sentences. And I want to say to you who will visit, who will see or watch our videos in YouTube, our channel, Birampur Amanullah Adarsh Vidya Niketan. If you have any comment or if you have any question, you will write it in our comment box or and if it is possible, I will try to answer this question in my next class. If you have faced any problem when you will practice these rules or structure, you can ask me any question in my comment box. Now I am going to finish my today's English class for class 9-10. Thank you all, and see you again.